Looks like. And here we go. I think this is a huge round of applause. Come on, guys. Anupam Kher on the society cover. Very nice, very chic.
This is so beautiful. Amazing.
Well,
This is beautiful.
feels nice.
This is amazing.
Nice, no?
Beautiful. I love it.
So you are on the magazine, on the society cover. How does it feel to be on the cover?
You know, I'm not on the covers most of the time. You know, also in movies, the kind of role that I play is basically one of the major pillars of the film. And I think, first of all, thank you for Chitra for putting me on the cover and Mr. Hira. It's a great feeling. It's right now I have mixed feelings. I'm emotional. I'm excited. I'm proud. I'm proud of my journey. It's wonderful, and this is a magazine which has been there for such a long time, and I have great respect for it. And it's a good looking picture, thank God.
You always look good. Come on.
No. This is a better picture. I'll show you some bad pictures of mine.
All right, you. I just
Also, it gives me a sense of responsibility. When you put me on the cover of Society, it makes me a responsible citizen. When I think people get onto covers of something, it gives you a certain. Now, it's important that to be a certain kind of a person, and the goals become higher.
higher, yes.
Yeah.
But I overheard. Now, this is something that I'm going to take a liberty on. I overheard that you've lost a lot of weight.
Yes.
So, what is that? What is the diet plan? I think people ask me, people ask a lot of other people why. I think you should ask him about his diet plan. He's lost like 11 kilos, and that's oodles of weight that you've lost. You didn't tell me what is that keeping you so
No, I
motivated?
think I was feeling that I had become from 85 to 90 to 93, and then one of the machines said, "Come one by one on the machine." So I said,
Okay.
"No."
But is there any specific diet
No,
that you're
it will be
following?
surprise. You will be surprising. Of course, Rujuta helps me with my diet, but I only quit three things which I love the most: is rice, potatoes, and sweets.
Okay.
And I have never had meals without any one of them. Means I have to have rice, I had to have potatoes, and I had to have sweets. And I just quit them completely, and I walk for 1 hour.
Okay.
That's it. There is
massive
no
difference.
other. I don't even understand what carbos are and what other things. What are the other things?
Weight
Proteins.
training.
No, wait. I do
Okay.
little bit of, but
Pilates.
all those things. I'm sure they are very important. But if you ask me my formula, I just quit these three things and I
It's a
walk.
simple format to actually.
I just felt that that helped me. Sorry, I'm not looking at you more often, and I'm looking. In other circumstances, it would have never happened. So let me just
But
put
I
it
love
like
the
this,
fact
so that I can look at you. And since your legs are covered right now, so it's okay. I can look at you.
Okay,
No.
sir, I am not seeing you. We are not seeing you so much on the silver screen. But I'm very happy that you're back on the essential form of art, which is theatre, and the fantastic play which is running all around the world, which is making us also very proud. And you are a part of it. How does it feel? This is the play called Mera Wo Matlab Nahi Tha, which also stars Neema Gupta along with him.
Yeah.
And so
No, I
please
think
tell
I
us-
have done in 31 years. I have done 492 films. So it's and I've done all kinds of roles. I don't want to sort of do films which are not making me joyous. Whether it's the people that I'm working with, whether it's role or something like that. So cutting down is on that. That's the reason. But I love cinema and I love to be part of films. Theatre is my first love. I'm from National School of Drama. I came to Mumbai, and the first thing I did was to do plays. And in the last 30 years, I've done 3 plays. My first play was Salgira with Kiran and I. My second play is Kuch Bhi Ho Sakta Hai, which is based on my autobiography. It's about my disasters, my failures. I've done about 326 shows of that worldwide. And on this March 7th, when I turned 60, I said, let me do something landmark. Instead of people telling me, let's have a party, is it landmark birthday, let's have this thing. So avoid that. What I did, I got into the rehearsals. And we were in the middle of shooting of Prem Ratan Dhan Payo. So my cast and my director used to travel with me to the locations. And Prem and my Mera Wo Matlab Nahi Tha has got phenomenal response. Means we have done 70 packed shows since March 7th, and in America it's got all kinds of accolades. In India, we have not till today opened the booking window of this place. Yeah, so that's I think it's fantastic. Yeah.
But I also heard.
And also it's about rediscovering yourself. You cannot be constantly doing the same thing again and again. Means that's why one wrote a book, and everybody thought that I will write a book on cinema or on acting. I wrote a book on life coaching based on my, and that turned out to be a bestseller, 18 editions, 9 different languages. When I told my father my book is a big bestseller, he says, Allah meherban to gadeda pehlwan. So I think it's important to keep doing things. It's important to do.
You know, I was also researching on you and I found out that on your birthday, it's 10th September.
7th March. 10th September was the date declared by Las Vegas as Anupam Kher Day.
Yes, I thought it's your birthday. Sorry, So,
it's my achievement.
Okay, so how can you tell a little about that?
I think, in fact, that whole tour was, apart from Play being a great hit, it was. I discovered that at various places I was given recognition for various things by the Americans. I first became the ambassador for He for She campaign by the United Nations basically organization. Then I was given Houston, 7th of August is Anupam Kher Day in Houston.
Oh wow.
Then I got proclamations from all over the place, etc. But the best part of it was that when Las Vegas decided that 10th September will be named as Anupam Kher Day. I have no idea because I am not a gambler, so it's not that I lost so much money there, so the state got so much money.
I was thinking of Las Vegas and Anupam Kher, so...
It has no, and I had gone to Las Vegas for the first time. And surprisingly, I did not even go to a casino, though in the hotel that we were staying in was a casino. Mm-hmm. But when the governor of that state said that we want to give you this honor, means kuch bhi ho sakta hai.
Yeah,
so my philosophy of kuch bhi ho sakta hai has always worked with me.
Okay, now like how, I'm just reading your tagline, which says that actors are very insecure. So what is that makes you say this, that actors are very insecure? So,
I think actors are very vulnerable and insecure both because of vulnerable. Because first of all, they have to play with. I'm talking about actors whether they have work or not. They don't have work. I'm not talking about actors who have work.
Okay.
Actors by nature are putting their soul on stage or in camera, and in today's time, the first scene starts and somebody SMSs to the world, or WhatsApp to the world, or tweets to the world. What a horrible actor he is. So you are open. It's also the highs and lows are publicly known. It's not that only I will know my own life. The whole world knows that on a Friday it's decided that whether you are happening or not. So that does make it's difficult
so it's a professional insecurity. Are you talking about
vulnerability? I think insecurity also means when I joined movies 30 years back, or when Dilip Kumar Saab stayed a superstar, is still today for 60 years. Mr. Bachchan for 45 years. Shah Rukh Amir for so many years. So people had time and people etc. In today's time, I feel bad for the actors because they have to be, every movie has to work well for them. So it's an insecure feeling, whether actors admit it or not. Any actor who says I don't feel insecure, I think is either trying to be brave or lying.
Okay.
Yeah, because it is every profession is, but actors are more insecure because you're more open to abuse, you're more open to judgment, you're more open to passing a comment on you, you're more open to everything. But the adulation also is phenomenal. So that's why in this city, everybody, every day, at least I think 200 to 300 people come to make it. And the best part of this city is that this city has a very large heart. When I was telling Mr. Hira that I came to this city on the 3rd of June 1981 on the pretext of a job that was offered to me. And when I reached and landed, got down at VT station, I discovered there was no job. It was just a hoax. And I had left a proper job in the sense of a teacher in the Lucknow University in Rama. I had no place to go. They had said they will send somebody. They had said they will some because I will get 5,000 rupees for this job. It was a teaching job in a kind of an acting school. And there I was standing at the VT station and there was nobody to pick me up. So I called up a friend of mine, Suhas Khandke, and I said, I have to live with you for at least 7 days. He said, 7 दिन से ज़्यादा नहीं रह सकते. He was practical because then I took a place in Bandra East, which was supposed to be with my students who were so-called students of my place. 3 of them. My landlady was a Dhoban. So she used to sleep in the kitchen and we 4 used to be in a room, that kind of a small room. But ironically, my address was Anupam Kher 2/15 Kherwadi, Khernagar, Kher Road, Bandra East. So I think that these are all signs of which bhi ho sakta hai. So and I don't want to glorify my struggle, I don't want to sort of romanticize my struggle, but I've gone through the grind of being a nobody to being somebody. So I don't want to say that in Bandra East when I was thrown out and I spent nights on the railway platforms, etc., etc. But I also talk about it so that other people get inspired, that bad times do not remain, like good times don't remain. So at the end of 30 years, if I can be inspirational in somebody's life, that's why one talks about one's miseries that one go through. But also because of my miseries, I stayed with my optimism. And whatever I am today is because of my optimism and hard work.
I'm going to definitely take back a lot of motivation from you. And I'm sure that a lot of people here have their questions, their set of queries. I request you all to please shoot one by one. And here, we have the man to answer it all. Can I have it?
Yes.
According to you, which is your favorite role? Which is your best role right now?
Normally, to that question, I answer that I will answer after 30 years because I have 30 more years to go. This is just interval has just finished, I would like to say. But yes, my first film will always remain my favorite film, which is Saransh. I have enjoyed doing Dil Hai Ki Manta Nahi, Dil, Daddy, Khosla Ka Ghosla, Wednesday, Special 26, Baby. These are the films which have really... Maine Gandhi Ko Nahi Mara was the most difficult role because I was portraying a man who suffers with Alzheimer's. But when I see those films today and I say, oh my God, including Saransh, that I could have done better. But that is not because you have matured as an actor only, but you have also matured as a person. So you understand emotions a little more than what you understood when at the age of 29. But your favorite films of mine are my favorite films of mine.
Okay, can we have some more questions? Yes.
सर आप हमेशा देश के लिए राय रखते आए हैं, तो अगर आपको कहीं पॉलिटिशियन बनने का मौका मिला तो आप वो मौका उठाएंगे?
नहीं,
मुझे तो लग रहा है कि हम नेक्स्ट पॉलिटिक्स में ही देखने वाले हैं।
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं। और ये मैं रिकॉर्ड पे बोल रहा हूँ, मुझे पॉलिटिक्स में एक्टिव पॉलिटिक्स ज्वाइन करने में कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं। घर में एक परिवार में एक सदस्य काफ़ी है। मुझे कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है। पर आई थिंक लोग कंफ्यूज करते हैं कि अगर किसी पॉइंट देश में किसी चीज़ के चलते अगर आप उस पर कमेंट करते हैं तो लोगों को वो कमेंट कभी कभी एक देशभक्ता नहीं लगता, एक पॉसिबल पॉलिटिशियन का लगता है। बट दैट्स अ सैड थिंग टू हैपन बिकॉज इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू टॉक अबाउट द इश्यूज दैट बॉदर यू। इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बट दैट डज नॉट मीन दैट आई नीड टू जॉइन पॉलिटिक्स। इनफैक्ट मेरी ताकत ज़्यादा है अगर मैं पॉलिटिक्स ज्वाइन नहीं करूँगा। जैसे मैंने पॉलिटिक्स ज्वाइन की, वेदर इंडिपेंडेंट भी ज्वाइन की या किसी पार्टी को भी ज्वाइन करता हूँ, तो फिर मेरी सोच उनकी सोच से इमीडिएटली जुड़ जाती है। तो मैं आई एम हैप्पी विदाउट बीइंग इन एक्टिव पॉलिटिक्स। एटलीस्ट अगले 10-15 साल तो मैं नहीं करने वाला।
आप सोचिए 10-15 साल के बाद
उसके बाद ज़िंदगी में पता नहीं कि कुछ भी हो सकता है। बट अभी आप संतुष्टि से आप ये जवाब अपने चैनल को या अपने अखबार में लिख सकते हैं, अनुपम खेर पॉलिटिक्स ज्वाइन नहीं कर रहे हैं.
Okay, that's the headline. But so, what is the next Twitter sandesh that you want to give the world?
Today this is going to overcrowd. This is going to overcrowd Twitter today.
Okay.
I am going to मतलब
Make it
go on a
viral.
I'm going to
Shaking
go
the world with your
I'm going to
Twitter.
go on a rampage. You know.
Shaking the world with his Twitter sandesh. I want to know that what I mean, how do you do? I mean, what?
What do I do? How do I do?
I don't know. What is the next step for Twitter now? Like, how is now?
I think I must say that in the last 2 months I've been abused left, right, and center for the last 2
That's why
months
I was
since I spoke my mind about it. But in spite of that, I have roughly about 5.7 million followers. I have only blocked 2 people till today because they abused my parents and very badly. Now they abuse them also. I still am handled. I think it's a great platform to learn. It's a great platform to interact with today's generation. When we took मेरा वो मतलब नहीं था to America, my people said हमारा play देखने 45 के ऊपर के लोग आएंगे. Because it's about me and Nina Gupta and it's about old people's love, etc. I said, don't worry about it. I think we will. It's today's youth may come across as irreverent, but they have a mind of their own. So Twitter makes me learn so many things. I do amazing things. Now there is something called Periscope, which is I live telecast my 15 minutes of before the play yesterday in Ahmedabad. I was nervous, so I went on to Periscope. You can live telecast worldwide what you are doing. So usually when I do कुछ भी हो सकता है, which is my autobiographical play, I'm alone in that play and I feel petrified before the play, even after having done 326 shows. So what I thought, I said, let me just tell the world what I am feeling. So I spoke to the whole world and then they said, don't worry, come on, you will do it well, etc. Best of luck. So social media has its greatest assets. Because I'm an optimist and because I'm positive, I do not worry about what happens about otherwise. Yes, you do get upset when I have been for the last 30 years only people have said nice things about me because one worked towards it.
Yes.
And now because there are political issues, there are some point of peoples, etc. So the kind of trolling that can happen, the kind of abuses that come, you think, oh my God, how did they? There are some people, my tweet goes and the answer already is ready. So then you know that it's a kind of a camouflage hidden agenda.
But have you made, because your Twitter message was for somebody who is such a powerful person itself in the industry. And
Why are you camouflaging? It's Amir Khan.
So I want to know that, have you made a lot of friends and enemies within the your filmy fraternity?
I have great friends. I think including Amir, I would like to believe that he is a very, very dear friend of mine, because if you are frank and if somebody admits it that I am frank, then you remain friends. In the greatest quality of this country is that you can have opinions in the sense that you can have different opinions.
But have you made a lot of enemies?
I don't think about enemies. I don't have the time to think about enemies. The friends that are there, I'm very happy with them. But if they think that because of my outspokenness or because of my taking a stance, for whatever interpretation they want to give, and they don't like me, I think they have the right to not like me.
Okay.
That guy over-
Yes.
So you played an integral part in so many films and changed the dynamics of playing a supporting actor. So how difficult or easy has that journey been?
I am a trained actor. I'm a gold medalist from the National School of Drama. So I do not believe in being this character actor and supporting actor thing. So I'm glad that the heading does not say anything like that. It's about an actor. You can't expect Jack Nicholson to be a character actor. You can't expect Robert De Niro, Al Pacino, all these people. They are actors. Unfortunately, in India, they slot people into ये एक हीरो है, ये हीरोइन है, ये विलन है, ये कैरेक्टर एक्टर है. हम पढ़े लिखे लोग हैं. पढ़े लिखे लोगों के लिए एक्टर ही होता है. और जितने भी मैंने रोल किए हैं मैंने एंजॉय किए हैं. ऐसा कुछ मैंने तूफान खड़ा नहीं कर दिया कि कल को मेरे सामने कोई दूसरा एक्टर आएगा नहीं. हमसे पहले बहुत सारे एक्टर थे और हमारे बाद बहुत सारे एक्टर आएंगे. For me, as a person and as an actor, journey is much more important than destination. I have enjoyed my horrible films also. I have really means और सोचता कि कितना बुरा शॉट दे रहा हूँ या कितना बुरा डायरेक्टर है. When I was doing my first film as in a death scene, my first death scene in a film, तो एक हवा रहता था कि death scene मिलना मतलब you have arrived as an actor. So I had this first time fight master who had become from a fighter to a fight master, and he kept telling me, sir, बड़ी मुश्किल से डेथ सीन मिलता है, जान डाल देना.
What an irony.
So
What an irony.
So मैंने कहा डेथ सीन में जान डालूंगा, अच्छा कोशिश करता हूँ. तो उसने 3 मेरे बुलेट लगाए थे, एक यहाँ पे लगाया था, एक यहाँ पे लगाया था और एक यहाँ पे लगाया था. बट वो नया था. उसने इन 2 को तो अंदर से पैकिंग दे दी. वो क्या करते हैं, दे पुट इन रबर, दे पुट सम लिटिल बिट ऑफ बारूद एंड ब्लड, सो इट बर्स्ट out this. And I always used to fantasize and think that if somebody has to kill me, they can camouflage it along with the real gun and the thing goes. So he forgot to pad this portion behind. So जब गोली चली, ये वाला तो मैंने जबरदस्त एक्टिंग की, ये भी लगी और ये एक्चुअली लगी. तो मेरे दिमाग में आया ये किसी ने गोली मार दी है. And I'm thinking that actors always think about headlines. Let me just. So I'm thinking at this stage of my career, I will come on the 5th page of a newspaper. For 29 years. So I must still say, damn, now I'm dying. But I must complete the shot so that people think that marte bhi kya acting kar gayi. So when I opened it up, it's still that wound is still there.
So you actually were hit. You had.
Yeah. Instead of that thing, gunpowder getting out, it went in because he had forgotten to put the wooden plank. So when I opened it up, it had gone deep. तो हमारे देसी इलाज होते ना, अब तो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में लिखा होता है, if something happens to you, now everything is contract oriented. वैन में ये आपके मेकअप मैन ये हैं, ये हेयर ड्रेसर ये हैं, आपका कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ऐसा है. अभी तो 50 पेज का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होता है, तब कुछ नहीं होता था. तो एक आदमी ने कहा मेरे पास इलाज है, उसने चूना लिया थोड़ा सा और लगा दिया, तो यहाँ से धुआं निकला. So I have enjoyed those movies also because I have a story to tell about that after 29 years. So those stories, those films which were not great, where the directors did not know ABCD, also provided me with so much fun stories. So I look at life like that.
Which has been your favorite character, or your favorite role for that matter that you have played up till now?
I just answered that. I think the difficult, I'll say favorite because it was difficult for me to do that.
No, because that also, Saransh, is because your first.
No, मैंने गांधी को नहीं मारा because I had no clue about Alzheimer's. I had no clue, and I wanted to, because I was the producer of the film, so I wanted to do really very in a focused manner.
Okay.
But I had no, so I met a lot of Alzheimer patients. I saw a lot of documentaries on Alzheimer's. I suddenly discovered that my great grandfather had Alzheimer's. So I said, oh my God, किताबों में लिखा होता है कि it's hereditary, etc. But the problem was that Alzheimer patient does not have any expression in his eyes. It's blank. It's not even forgetful. And I was not able to get that because I got everything, how he walks, etc. and how he keeps doing this or whatever it is. But I was not able to get the blank expression across. So I said, I don't know swimming. So I said one day at 4 o'clock in the morning, I went and I said, okay, let me walk towards the beach and into the water till I realized that I do not know. Because कोई भी मिलता था सुबह 6:30-7 बजे तो सब लोग बोलते थे अनुपम जी नमस्ते. So I knew who I was. So that particular friction of a second, I think when my feet touched the water, I felt something and I immediately threw up. And I knew that what it is to be like blank. So that's why also the insecurity of it, because you have to work hard for it. But what was the minus point of doing that film? कि मैंने इतना रिसर्च किया था, अब कोई भी मैं चीज़ भूलता हूँ तो मैं सोचता हूँ पेज 47 पैरा 3 लिखा होता है कि भूल जाओ. So once I was praying, I do 3 mantras every day for the last So many years since our childhood. After the film, I was doing the second mantra. I forgot.
Oh God, okay.
तो किताब में लिखा था, if you forget, just sit down. How can you sit down? You're constantly thinking, वो कहाँ गया? But it's interesting. So that was difficult, to put it simply.
And
I
you
would
work
love to.
together?
He is a producer director. He can cast me anytime. I would love to work with him. I've not worked with him for 25 years. I miss him. Maybe.
All right, we take one more question and then we will.
Yes.
So what is your view on